Hello everyone. In today's Quick Tips video, we are going to discuss some common questions about logging into Sawgrass Print Utility. Before we do anything with logging in, I do want to clarify a few key pieces of information when it comes to accessing Print Utility. First, please be aware that Sawgrass Print Utility requires different login credentials than Sawgrass Print Manager. These are two entirely different programs, and your login information for Print Manager will not apply to Print Utility. Second, your Print Utility account information needs to be the same login as your MySawgrass account. These two programs are linked under the same account. If you have not yet created your account, you can do so here. The final thing to remember is that if you ever forget your login information, you can reset your password from the Print Utility login page. To do so, select the Forgot Password option and then follow the instructions provided. An email will be sent to the account email on file with instructions on how to reset the password. Please follow through with these instructions carefully. Passwords will require at least one uppercase letter, number, and a special character. I also recommend writing your username and password down for safekeeping. If for any reason the email does not appear within your inbox, make sure the email did not send to the spam folder. If you still cannot locate the email, I recommend contacting the Sawgrass support team for further assistance. Once you have reset your password, you can then log in to Print Utility and start printing your projects. Please also keep in mind that you will most likely need to log back into MySawgrass before you can access the design tool. That is all for today. If you have any other account questions or issues, please contact Sawgrass support for more assistance. To learn more about using Sawgrass Print Utility, please visit our education page at sawgrassinc.com. Have a great day.